So closed a deal for my LA roofer. It was with a very big property management company. The property itself was a little smaller. I'd reached out to them before. They said they'll let me know if they have any projects come up. So they gave me a shout a little bit later. But they had an auto body shop with a new tenant moving in and a repair that needed to be done as leaks were coming straight through the ceiling. So they needed it done quick and fast. We went out there, got him a quote, and it ended up closing for about $3,500 pretty quickly. Really excited about that one. We've had a lot of momentum over the last couple months, want to see it keep rolling, and excited for the next one.